ng infants feeding. Wash hand thoroughly with soap and water to prevent cross-contamination. Check the name of the infant and to the bottle before giving infants feeding. A mistake of a formula may be such as a dangerous by mistake of giving of medication. And then wrap the baby warmly and hold him in slight Fowler's position. Positioning the infant in easy swallowing. Place the entire nipple to infant's mouth. Discomfort will occur due to swallowing of the air. Wala na gali. Wala na. Number 4, fill the entire nipple area with the formula. Discomfort will occur due to swallowing of the air. And then place an extra diaper on your lap under infant's buttocks. To avoiding soiling uniform as a result of gastrocolic reflex stimulated by feeding, and then burp the infant.